You're lying there again, aren't you? Your ass is glued to the couch, or you're buried under your sheets like a patient in a hospital bed, staring at a screen until your eyes burn. You might even have a vision or a purpose written down somewhere, yet you haven't moved a muscle for hours. You feel heavy, tired, and honestly, pretty miserable because you know exactly what you should be doing, but you just can't. You're addicted to the comfort of doing nothing, waiting to feel ready while your life slips away. If you're sick of being a spectator in your own life and want the actual blueprint to fix this rot, then this video is exactly for you. Because this is the intervention you've been avoiding. But before we know how, we should know why. Why do you want to do nothing at all? What's the problem exactly? You see, there are two types of people. The first type is the person who doesn't know what to do with his life. He has no purpose or direction. He's just letting life happen the way it already is. He's not in control at all, just spending the entire day on meaningless activities. Some even reach the point where they ask themselves, "What am I doing? Is this really my life?" Now, the second type of person is someone who knows what he has to do, and yet does nothing about it. But the problem here is that laziness is not a character flaw. As humans, we are biologically conditioned to seek comfort and security, whereas the life you want, it requires discomfort from you, not this safe bubble you live in. That is the trap of the comfort zone, my friend. Look, I won't exaggerate things too much. To get to the point, you've been doing these things for years. It will take time to change, whether you call it an addiction, a bad habit, or just a routine. That's just logical. Otherwise, anyone saying, "Oh, you can fix everything in one day," is completely stupid. First of all, accept that. Now, to fix comfort zone addiction, you need to take baby steps. Steps so small and effortless that they don't create resistance. Because look, if half your life has been spent lying on a fucking couch or bed, then of course, even standing up and putting one foot forward will feel like a world war to you. This is why you take baby steps. Walk a little in your room. Your body has become inactive. You need to start activating it again. Signal your mind and body that you are alive and that you need to move daily. Start small. It's the real solution for those who have truly been rotting in the comfort zone for years. First, you activate your body, then the rest will follow. Now on to laziness. To fix that "I don't want to do anything" feeling, we need to tackle 3 types of laziness, which I categorized based on what most people likely fall into. First, I am ambitious but lazy. This is the type of person who has big goals, has everything planned out, knows exactly what things will move him closer to his goals, and yet is unable to take action. He gets distracted and tempted by urges. The second one is comfort-addicted laziness, where you literally don't want to do anything. Why? Because you've been living like this for years. People who fall into this category are more likely to have no clear purpose in life, as I said earlier in the video. Now the third one is self-doubt laziness. This one is really layered because it's not just laziness. On the surface, it may look like it, but deep down, something entirely different is happening. If you fall into this category, then you've probably faced a lot of judgment and failure in life to the point where you don't even want to try anymore because you don't see a point in it. You may think, "What's the point? I'm going to fail anyway," or "It won't work." You don't have hope anymore. You doubt yourself so much that even if you try, you believe you'll fail. Such perceptions of yourself are usually built through childhood experiences and your past. And honestly, life in the comfort zone is easy. No challenges, nothing new. Just so much familiarity that your brain rewards you for staying there while slowly ruining you over time. It's dangerous, Believe me. If you're this type of person, listen, I know there's still hope in you because you're watching this video. And another thing, doesn't it piss you off? Come on, you're made for something bigger. Do not limit yourself with this doubt. You are much bigger than this. You don't need to tell or prove to others what you're doing. Just pick something, anything, and start with it, all right? No one is coming to judge you. It's your life. The only way you build confidence in yourself is through an undeniable stack of proof, and that comes from action. Action is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. So for those who don't have a purpose in life, I won't tell you to do many things, just one simple thing, all right? Take a pen and notebook to find your purpose. And how are you going to do it? By using a Japanese method called the Ikigai method. You simply note the intersection of 4 things: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. This requires you to be alone with your thoughts. Stop choosing things based on society's pressure. Find what you truly love so you don't end up living a life you regret. Give yourself time to write this down in a notebook. It won't happen overnight. It may take days or even weeks. Just spend time with yourself. The best way to find your purpose is to reconnect with your inner child. What did you love doing as a kid? Because as we grow up, we often bury those parts of ourselves because of outside pressure. For example, I used to sketch a lot, and classmates or people around me would say, "What the hell are you going to do with that?" Poor-minded people. What can I say? The anime we watch gets created from the very sketches of mangakas, the writers and artists behind manga. There are countless ways to create opportunities and make money from what you love. You just need to find what you love, not what others want you to do. Place yourself first. Only then think about how you can serve the world with it. Simple as that. Now, for those who already know what to do, you need to make the resistance so damn easy that you do it anyway. Stop trying to read 50 pages or work for 3 hours straight. Select one small task and do it for just 15 to 30 minutes. That's it. Making it dead simple to start removes the mental friction that keeps you stuck on the couch. This works for every laziness archetype because it builds momentum. Whenever you sit down for any task, decide to make it easy. Then do it every single time until it becomes automatic. And as you keep doing it, it will start to feel less and less resistant over time. And look, making it dead simple can take any form depending on your task. But in general, less is better. The real goal is removing whatever is stopping you from starting in the first place. What thoughts or emotions are holding you back? Study them. Why are you feeling them in the first place? Maybe you blindly created a huge to-do list that you can't realistically complete. Maybe you planned things the wrong way. So just address the issue and fix it. Listen, you can't expect to perform like a high performer if you're not taking care of the very machine you're running, and that is your body. Here are the non-negotiable, practical steps you need to feel energized. You need to do them daily at any cost. Consider them a charger for your body. Take notes if you need to remember them. Sunlight. Get at least 15 minutes of direct sunlight every day for vitamin D and to reset your system. Sleep. I know most of you don't sleep properly. You binge watch and torture your eyes, which is not good. Lack of sleep can seriously damage your health. I'm not joking. Just get proper rest. Take 8 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep and you'll naturally feel more relaxed and energized. Not too much, not too little. Training. Physical activity activates blood flow and instantly kills the comfort zone state of the body. Movement. Don't stay in bed or on the couch all day. Get outside and walk at least 6,000 steps a day. Hydration. Drink around 3 liters of water daily. Your brain is mostly made up of water, and you already know what happens if you don't hydrate properly. So, to conclude everything in the end, you'll notice that there's one main factor throughout this entire video that you need to follow. Action. You can't just sit and wait for life to happen to you. As a person, you must stand up and make life happen for yourself. No matter what type of laziness archetype you fall into, the only thing you truly need is action. Start with something dead easy, and then slowly increase it over time. I don't care what happened in the past, what mistakes you made, or how much you procrastinated. Now is not the time for that. We are fixing it. If this video helped you in any way possible, like, share, and subscribe. It's free, it won't cost you anything, but it will mean a lot for this channel. And I'll see you next time. Keep working. Peace.